Srijin, the Cultural Fest of Shyama Prasad Mukherjee College for Women, asks yourself freely, feel emotions that we have never felt before, and fly away from your worries. So, before starting with the competition, I would like to invite our honorable judges and let me introduce to you. Our first judge is Mr. Akash Upadhyay from Geography Department. Second judge we have is Mrs. Mansi Malik from Geography Department, and the third is Dr. Baljeet Kaur from Computer Science Department. And also, the decision by our judges would be final. So moving further, today as there are many such amazing performances, so without any further ado, let's begin with the competition. And I would like to invite our management head Priyanshi Nagpal to take forward the event.
Okay, so here we have our first contestant, slot number one, Ayushi Garg. Ayushi Garg from Swami Shraddhanand College.
बिरहा सौदाई बन के शहनाई कानों में ठुमरी छेड़ जाए रे कानों में ठुमरी छेड़ जाए रे तन की दीवानी मन की न मानी मन बोला तन बेईमान आए रे मन बोला तन बेईमान आए रे हाय रे अगबाई हन्ना बचाए रे अगबाई हन्ना बचाए केला 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 के कैसे मन में अगन है जाके 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 यौवन में चुभन है अगबाई हन्ना बचाए रे अगबाई हन्ना बचाए पतली कमर मटका के नागिन से बल खा के नैन से नैन लड़ा के धानी चुनर सरका के
Okay, next up we have slot number two, Ayush Garg from Vivekanand Institute of Professional Studies. Ayush. Yeah.
रात की यारी तूने कैसा घोटाला छत पे सोया था बहनोई छत पे सोया था बहनोई मैं तन्ने समझ के सो गई मुझको राणा जी माफ करना गलती मारे से हो गई मुझको राणा जी माफ करना गलती मारे से हो गई छत पे सोया था बहनोई छत पे सोया था बहनोई मैं तन्ने समझ के सो गई मुझको राणा जी माफ करना गलती मारे से हो गई मुझको राणा जी माफ करना गलती मारे से हो गई
Next up we have slot number three, Samarth Jangid from Rajdhani College. Moving on, we have slot
Hello,
number
hello,
4.
hello, hello.
Yashika. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Priyanshi, just give few seconds to the judges so that they can mark the performers. ठीक है, आप बहुत
Okay,
तेज गा
all
रहे हो.
right.
Give few seconds, ठीक है?
Okay, sir. No problem.
Priyanshi, after a few seconds, you can just confirm from all the judges if they are done, and then you can proceed, right? तो फिर थोड़ा
Okay,
सा
ma'am.
you will
So,
also get a cue कि if you can
yeah, right.
move for the next performance.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So, shall we move on to the slot number 4 now?
Yeah, from my side,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, go ahead.
I'm good, yeah.
Next up, we have slot number 4, Yashika Passi from SPM College.
सात समंदर पार गई मैं, सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं, खुद ही खुद की नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना। पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना, थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना, मन्नत कर कर के थक गई मैं ओ सजना।
लाखों का दिल तेरा, ये तेरा थंडर सा ठुमका, अब नखरा ना कर तू, बिजली बन के बे तू फ्लोर पे आ गिरे। नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी, नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी।
Okay, judges, let me know when the scoring is done.
I'm done. You can check with others.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. Next up, we have slot number 5, Sanjay from Sri Aurobindo College.
नजरों से नजरें मिली तो जन्नत सी महकी फिजाएं, लब ने जो लब छू लिया तो आसमां से बरसी दुआएं। ऐसी अपनी मोहब्बत, ऐसी रूह है इबादत, हम पे मेहरबान दो जहां। शुक्राना में ये जिस्म खिल गया, तेरी सांसों में चैन मिल गया, कैसे रहें अब हम जुदा। हो तेरे पास हम इतने हुए, तेरे ख्वाब अपने हुए, ऐसे हुए अब हम फिदा। ऐसी उसकी इनायत, मिट गई हर शिकायत, हम पे मेहरबान दो जहां। शुक्राना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्राना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
Can we move on, judges?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on, we have slot number 6, Kanika Gopal from IGDTU College for Women.
Last week, honey, he's so vain. You been loving himself on a Kim and yeah. I'm like, boy, stop, run that back. Goddamn you, Bobby, can you play that sax? That's you, Mr. Know It All. Think you got flood down to a formula. I'm like, boy, stop, run it back. Can you play that sax? I've been waiting for to blow my mind. Maybe you can get it. Play that sax. Give it to me. Cigars on bass guitars, fellas in suits smoking on cigars. Those little boys making all that noise, but you ain't gonna steal the show. No fancy cars or bass guitars, fellas in suits smoking on cigars. Just play that song I know. Take a deep breath and blow.
Are you done with the scoring, judges?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, moving on to slot
जस्ट अ
number
मिनट
7.
प्रियांशी दीदी, जस्ट अ मिनट. आई थिंक ये वाली वीडियो ना शायद थोड़ा अटक के चली है, तो मुझे जजेस से पूछना है कि उनको वीडियो क्लियर दिखी है.
थोड़ा सा समवॉट क्लियर था, बट बीच में थोड़ा सा बिल्कुल हल्का पार्ट
The flow was not clear. It was
रिप्ले
Yeah.
कर
very
दो, वीडियो को
staggered
रिप्ले
kind
कर दो.
of. Yeah.
So, ma'am, we can play it again if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Play that sax. Give it to me. Last week, honey, he's so vain. You been loving himself on a Kim and yeah. I'm like, boy, stop, run that back. Goddamn you, Bobby, can you play that sax? That's you, Mr. Know It All. Think you got flood down to a formula. I'm like, boy, stop, run it back. Can you play that sax? I've been waiting for to blow my mind. Maybe you can get it.
हाँ बच्चों को शुरू कर दो, हमारा भी ये खत्म हो जाएगी इसके बाद क्लासेस हम कर लेंगे।
Now it was fine, very smooth.
Okay, ma'am. So shall we move on now?
Yeah.
Okay, moving on to slot number 7, Naresh from Dayal Singh College.
अब कोई नहीं मुकाबला फ्रॉम द बॉटम निकला टॉपर डाला पैसा तो मुनाफा माँ पे गाली सीधा लाफा और रैप द नाका सुनते बांग्ला मुझे ढाका मैं 5 स्टार के कपड़े पहन के खाता मैं हूँ ढाबे पे स्ट्रीम्स हो या टीम्स अब पूरा कामयाब मैं कोहली वाला माइंडसेट और धोनी जैसा शाप मैं हर पब में जी और गेम है मेरे हाथ में हंसता सीधा बैंक तक 50 वाले लाफ में हा 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 भाई तू है वीक और मैं लेता हफ्ता अब खुद के तेरे हाथ नहीं तूने रखा चमचा पूरा गैंग ग्राइमी हा टॉप टॉप सीधा शॉट शॉट तेरे ब्रेन में बॉम्बे दा बैड मुंडा पंजाब तक कैंट में नाम है डिवाइन पर बंदा नहीं हुसैन में एक शॉट से निकला ओवर मेरे रेंज में बैक बेंच वाले लड़के आए फ्रंट पेज पे तू सड़क के महारानी के बेस में मैं संजू बाबा वॉक करता हाथ रख के जेब में देख ले खलनायक में और गुस्से वाला फ्रैक्चर तेरा गैंग और मैं एम्बुलेंस में पहुंचने वाला Do it for the vibe. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vibe. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vibe. I ain't gonna do it. Do it. Get the way, just do it for the vibe. Make the vibe, for the vibe, 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 make the vibe, make the vibe. 6 seconds for the vibe, for the vibe. 6 seconds, you gotta do fine. 6 seconds for the vibe, for the vibe. 6 seconds, you gotta do fine. I ain't gonna do it for the vibe, make the vibe, 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 make the vibe, make the vibe, for the vibe, make the vibe, make the vibe. 6 seconds for the vibe, make the vibe, 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 for the vibe, make the vibe.
Was this video okay?
Yeah.
Should we move on, judges?
Yeah.
Next up, Baljeet ma'am.
Yes.
Sir, Akash sir.
Yeah, we're good to go.
Okay. Next up, we have slot number 8, Kanchan Bisht from Dayal Singh College.
Baby, why don't you make yourself comfortable while I go and put this song on you? So tell me when you're ready. I'ma speed it up for you just for a second. Just for a second. And I'ma slow it back down and keep it steady. You wife in the backseat, I'm not brand new Varinka. Don't act like you forgot. I called a shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Pay me what you want. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch, better have my money. Bitch, better have my money. Pay me what you want. Bitch, better have my money. Bitch, better have my money. Bitch, better have my money.
Are we good to go, judges?
Yes.
Yeah.
Moving further, we have slot number 9, Sachin Kumar from Delhi College of Arts and Commerce.
Now listen. Yeah, that's right. Stand up. Clap your hands, man. I make you wanna dance. I make you wanna move. I drop the zone, I can put you in the mood. I make you wanna dance. I make you wanna move. I drop the zone, I can put you in the mood.
Judges, I think इस वीडियो में भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था मे बी.
Was
So
this?
Is it the complete video? Like,
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Quite short. Just 30 seconds.
Yeah. So, do you want us to play it again? Was it clear enough?
Yeah, no, actually, the movements were not clear. So it was blurring. It was not smoothly flowing. That's why.
Yeah.
we can
Let's
play
play it
again.
again.
Yeah, please.
Now listen. Yeah, that's right. Stand up. Clap your hands, man. I make you wanna dance. I make you wanna move. I drop the zone, I can put you in the mood. I make you wanna dance. I make you wanna move. I drop the zone, I can put you in the mood.
Yeah.
Think. Proceed now. Judges, shall we proceed?
yes.
Next up, we have slot number 10, Gautam Kumar from Swami Shraddhanand College.
इतना पानी गिराओगे, डुबाओगे क्या?
Shall
Yeah,
we move on
next.
to the slot?
Yeah.
Okay, moving
Yeah,
on.
please
Slot,
continue.
Moving on to slot number 11, Anukriti Singh.
You was
Knowledge
Gautam
Market.
Kumar, right?
Yeah, sir. Gautam
Yeah.
Kumar.
Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? Right about now. If I judge for life, man, would you stay by my side? Or is you gonna say goodbye? Can you tell me right now? If I couldn't buy you the fancy things in life, shawty, would it be alright? Come and show me that you don't. Now tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Baby, don't lie to me. If I didn't have anything, I wanna know, would you stick around? If I got locked up.
I think this one had a filter. This video had a filter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Should we go on?
Just a second. Yeah. I think you can confirm with everybody.
Yeah, we're good to go.
Yes, Priyanshu.
Next up, we have slot number 12, Akriti Singh from Hindu College.
I was listening to the ocean. I saw a face in the sand, but when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hands. Darn. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting impatient for me. Dawn. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain. I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. I was painting a picture. The picture was a painting of you, and for a moment I thought you were here, but then again it wasn't true. And all this time I have been lying, lying in secret to myself. I've been putting sorrow on the forest place on my shelf. Da-dee-da. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain. I felt alive and I can't complain. Oh, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. Oh, take me home where I belong.
I'm good, I think.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
shall we proceed? Okay. Next up, we have slot number 13, Komod Salaria from SPM College.
When you wake up and walk away, ये क्या किया मैं बेताब हो गया तेरे बिना मुझे नहीं जीना क्या यही प्यार है बन जाओ तुम मेरे सनम कैसे हुआ दिल खो गया बन जाओ तुम मेरे सनम कैसे हुआ दिल खो गया Vida was the
Yeah.
Yes, Priyanshi.
Shall we proceed? Okay, so last but not the least, we have slot number 14, Jatin Alawadi from Maharaja Agar Singh Institute of Technology.
डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी अब तुम गुजरते नहीं रात कटती नहीं तस्वीर से बात बनती नहीं हो आजा जाने ना
Could you please repeat the video? Replay कर सकते हो?
Yeah.
La 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 eh la 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 eh la 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 eh la 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 eh la 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 डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी अब तुम गुजरते नहीं रात कटती नहीं तस्वीर से बात बनती नहीं हो आजा कोई जाने ना
Was it fine now?
Yeah. The time limit was 3 minutes, right?
Yes, ma'am. Maximum 3 minutes.
Maximum 3. So one student has like put a query.
What query?
It's in the comments. Sanjay has posted a comment that why all videos are playing for 1 minute. So I think maybe you could clarify. So I think if there is a query for time, the maximum upper limit was 3 minutes, right? So I think
And
all the students were within the time limit.
Yeah,
what
there
was
was
the
no
limit?
minimum limit.
Okay.
Just the maximum
Okay.
limit was 3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Minimum limit नहीं था इसका मतलब ना?
Yes, sir. There was no minimum limit. The maximum limit was 3 minutes.
Okay.
Okay,
चलो
have you evaluated last slot 14?
Yeah, I'm just sending you the sheet in a few
Okay.
minutes.
Okay. Okay, that was some amazing performances by our top 14 participants. Now, judges may take their valuable time for evaluation of your judgment. Till then, Thirkan Dance Crew has something to show you guys. Have a look.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट खौस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो
Hello 9821026212 BPL. अरे 9820026235 मैक्स टच। यार जिस लड़की को पटाने का वही फोन पर नहीं आती यार।
मोबाइल नंबर व्हाट इज योर स्माइल नंबर करनी है प्राइवेट पार्टी व्हाट इज योर प्राइवेट नंबर कहाँ से तू आती है डार्लिंग कहाँ को तू जाती है आके जाके ऐसे क्यों दिल को तड़पाती है हाय
Yeah.
गिरि नंदिनी नंदित मेदिनी विश्व विनोदिनी नंदनुते गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोदिनी वासिनी विष्णु विलासिनी जिष्णुनुते भगवती हेशिति कंठ कुटुंबिनी भूरि कुटुंबिनी भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनी शैलसुते
In the fly, we keep it Indian. Rapping all the billions, better from Melbourne to Michigan. We used to living with villains and I'm from killers, plus sinners. We never oblivious about God the illest. Far from errors, we high five fellas, divine realists. On microphones, we define sickest. Apart from my name, this one thing. One. Women like saying.
So guys, we'll take 5 more minutes. So ये टाइम अभी आप लोगों का है. Like आप लोग कुछ भी कर सकते हो, कुछ भी in the sense you can showcase your talent. अगर अभी कोई भी कर सकता है, किसी के पास भी availability हो म्यूजिक की and जो भी, so now you can. Judgment is on the way, हो रही है. Like anyone can showcase their talent if anyone is willing to. If no one, then you guys have to wait.
Somebody was sharing their screen. Sanjay, I guess. Go on, Sanjay.
तो अगर अभी कोई भी अगर टैलेंट अपना नहीं शोकेस कर रहा है, तो मैं जजेस से पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपको हमारे सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स की वीडियो कैसी लगी, उनका परफॉर्मेंसेस कैसे लगा? जजेस, मानसी मैम।
Yes, tell me. I think given the situation we are in right now, everything is online and classes are online and students are facing a lot of mental pressure. And I think dance is a very good way to, vent out the hidden energy that gets accumulated, the frustration that gets accumulated with when you can't go out and you can't live your life the way you like to. So I think dance is a very important medium to vent out all your energies and all the frustration that you just to get out of the mood we are in right now. So I think kudos to all the students who participated, because making a video online, looking at a place where you can suitably make your video, showcasing your talent in the best possible way, and using not everybody is camera friendly. So I think this was a very good initiative on the part of the college also to do it online. And for all the students also, my best wishes and congratulations for all the participants. Winning is a different matter altogether, but uh, coming forward and participating enthusiastically is a very, very big thing. And I congratulate all of you for taking this initiative.
Akash sir, anything?
Hello. Yeah, I would like to, congratulate all the participants for, putting up a good videos in this tough time when, the entire country is battling COVID, different kinds of problem, mental problem, health problem. So dance, as already Mansi ma'am told you, it's a very good stress buster, and it's kind of expression where you express yourself. And near about 14 participants, they made a very wonderful effort to make a video, somewhere outdoors videos as well.
Yeah, that was what I was looking at.
That
That
was
so
that was
many
a very
students
good
had
thing,
made videos
Yeah.
outside of their homes, so, which is not
Outdoor
very
videos
safe
were
to
good.
do right now. But yeah, maybe
Yeah.
whenever they made it.
So it's a very commendable effort by all the participants, and winning and losing is a part of the competition or the event. Whenever you enter an event, somebody wins and somebody loses, but the matter of fact, what should encourage you is that you came forward, made a video and participated enthusiastically. That is what you should, look forward to. And you should keep on participating in all these kinds of events in the days to come. And, I don't know how long the lockdown will continue, and when the situation gets, normal, where we are again back to our normal life, like college physical mode पे आते हैं. So it is very much essential कि इस type के activities को हम promote करें और साथ साथ बच्चे भी participate करें, so that the organizers को भी organize करने में they get motivated, and participants को भी लगे कि हाँ, we are doing something and we have some platform to showcase our talent. So at the end, I would like to congratulate all the event heads, organizers for managing, shortlisting all the videos, downloading them and playing them timely, and the organizer of Srijan and inviting, and finally, thank you for inviting us to be part of this event and to judge the event. And finally, I would like to wish good luck to all the participants and best of luck for your future, endeavors. Thank you.
Baljeet Kaur ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Priyanshi. Yes. So, amazing performance by all the students. The videos were awesome. Such high energy and enthusiasm was seen. Like, even I was reading from the chat window, like, the viewers were cheering up. Like, it was just giving me a simulation of as if we are actually sitting in the college auditorium and the performance is live and the students are cheering up the way, like, it was giving that feeling. So, very happy to see something constructive, like students are into something constructive in such times. And as sir already said, like, it is just that we have to declare the positions. For me, like, everyone is a winner because you have participated in such times, you have given your best, right? So everyone is a winner, like, if we compare with the people who don't even participate. So taking that initiative in itself is a big thing. So results actually don't matter much, it's just the position. And yeah, kudos to the organizing team for organizing this at this time. And I was very happy to see, yeah, though missing those times of auditorium cheerings and all, but yeah, the simulation was excellent. I would say to all of you, just keep the spark alive and spirits high. Thank you.
Thank you so much, judges. Participants and judges, just give us 2 more minutes and we are done with the results then. Judges, please check WhatsApp. Okay, so participants, now we are ready. So you guys may fasten your seatbelts as it is the time for results. So now I would like to hand it over to Dr. Baljeet Kaur ma'am to announce third position. Baljeet Kaur ma'am.
Yeah, so for third position, we have Akriti Singh, and the college is
Hindu
Vaidyaka
College.
Hindu College.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So moving forward, to announce the second position, I would like to invite Mansi Malik ma'am.
The second position goes to somebody wants to guess. No guesses. Okay, so I'll maybe announce. The second position goes to Sanjay from Sri Aurobindo College.
Wow.
Amazing song and amazing choreography. That kind of a choreography cannot be imagined on that kind of a song. So congratulations, Sanjay.
Okay, so now it's time for the first position, and so I would like to invite Akash sir to announce the first position. धक धक हो रहा है सबको, अब कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा किसी से.
Hello, yeah, we are already aware about the second and third position, and the first position, you know, I'm sure you must have an idea ki who is the first position holder. It was a wonderful choreography, you know, the song combination was very good. The first position holder is Gautam Kumar from Swami Sadanand College. It was the performance was full of energy. Congratulations to all the winners, and the best wishes to other participants. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations, everybody. Best wishes to the participants also. And congratulations, Team Srijan.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, teachers. आप लोगों ने इस इवेंट में रौनक लगा दी, honestly. And आपकी जजमेंट के लिए भी आपको बहुत सारा thank you. So congratulations to all the winners. Your performance were mind blowing. लेकिन जो लोग नहीं जीते हैं, तो लाइफ में होता रहता है, कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. So sometimes participation is more important than winning, because even if you do not win, you gain experience, which helps you to be the winner next time. So we are done with the event. So this brings us to the end of our event Funk Hunt. Thank you all the participants for sending in wonderful entries, and thank you to the judges for your judgment and for your precious time. Also, thank you everyone else for being a great audience. Hope you all enjoyed and had fun. And one more thing, adding one more thing, winners के लिए जो certificates and जो prize money है, वो they'll get soon. Please be in touch. Thank you so much, teachers and everyone else.
Thank you, Varka. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.